I'm using Autodesk Fusion, but I cannot convert the design into a drawing into a patent format. What are some software that people use to convert into patent drawing formats? A great question. Again, I'm not familiar with Autodesk, but it's probably pretty common. So you may get an answer here from some of our audience members. What I will say is that patent drawings are specific and does depend, of course, legally, whether it's a utility patent or a design. Design patent drawings are extremely important to get very, very accurate and correct, because the actual drawing, as we'll look at later today, when our guest has a design patent, that is what they own, is what it looks like, the aesthetic 2D drawing representing the three-dimensional object. Now, utility patents, you can get away with a little bit, call it less formal, or they can be even informal, so long as they're helpful and they provide additional substance to define what's claimed in the written claim. For utility patents, utility patents, drawings are important, and you should use the right software. The important part about those is you need to make sure that every aspect is flag noted properly. So in the spec, the written part of the utility patent application, in the detailed description of the drawings, there's going to need to be mention of every single aspect, especially novel aspects. And you mentioned numbering, right? Flag note 1, you've got to make sure that it points to the right part of your drawing. Of course, it's got to be in clear, legible black and white drawing. There are very few exceptions, but they do sometimes allow color if color is part of what's being claimed. So, long-winded way to say, I don't know the software you're talking about, but I would highly recommend you get with a patent attorney or someone who's familiar with patent drafting. That can help you with making sure you're going to end up on the right side. Here at Bold, we use a third-party drafting team. We actually use 2 different contractors, and that's all they do every day is draft drawings. We are, as patent attorneys, most of us don't do the drawings anymore. Long ago, we used to. If you've seen some of those old school, posters they've got, where the inventor signs and the patent attorney signs as well. The attorney used to be the one that drew it was the artist that actually drew the patent. No longer is the case in most issues. We will find a few patent attorneys with some gray hair that have done some of that in the past.